Well, thank God for the governor we have.
Yes.
This is a governor that want to do the right thing for the people of Rivers State. This rehab home is a well thought out home to rehabilitate some of our ailing wards. So it's a well planned arrangement to build this home here, and so that we didn't have all the facilities that is supposed to run this home is a misnomer. But we want to thank God for the governor that we have, who takes time to look at things meticulously and ensure that our people get service for what they are doing. He requested that we bring transformer here, and our team of engineers have come here to take cognizance of everything that you need here. I can assure you that what we are doing or what we are going to do here is going to put to rest everything about power in this home. The capacity of the transformer you have here will take care of this home and even neighboring environments. The only thing we will not allow is for this transformer to be overloaded, but it will not be underutilized, but it will be utilized to the capacity that it will provide everything. Even if we want to expand or build more structures here, this transformer will be able to carry the load. So we want to use this medium to thank the governor for approving this request, and pray that people will use it well. It's enclosed here, so this is their premises. Anybody that comes here, we must take permission from your security men before they will come here. Nobody will scale the fence to come in here, so I know that it's safe. And your neighbors here too, I can see pole-mounted transformer here, so there will be no way that this transformer will be overloaded. So this is their transformer as requested, and His Excellency has given it to you, and he has provided everything that we use to install this transformer. And I know that with all the regulations, both taking outage and other things, it will take us more than 2 weeks. It will be 100% connected to you. But it's also a roadmap, because we have a roadmap for electricity for Rivers State, which His Excellency has approved. We want to have 24 hours electricity in Rivers State. And I can assure every Rivers man and woman that we have the capacity. We are the only state that has 3 generating stations, in the entire nation. No state has that capacity. It's only Rivers State. And we are improving on it. So our people, whatever is the hitches that I've been having before for Rivers people not to have 24 hours, we are removing them to ensure that we practically enjoy steady power in Rivers State. So thank you very much for your rapt attention, and enjoy your transformer. Thank you very much.
Excellency, Sir Fubara, for this gesture. In fact, a week ago when I came here, one of the major complaints that I received was that this place had no power. And when I inquired from the PAMSEC, she clearly told me that we had made a request and that the transformers will be delivered in record time. And so when I received the call from you, I was actually elated. So I want to thank you for aptly responding, because if you go into the holding rooms, I don't like calling them cells, you see how difficult it is for those in the rehab centers to, for them to survive. They need power. Even the caregivers that stay here with them, as human beings, they need power. And so this is not just coming at the right time, it's coming at the time that they needed it the most. And so we are really happy that His Excellency has kept to his promise. Let me, on behalf of the Permanent Secretary and directors here with me, thank His Excellency most gracefully for giving us this opportunity to let our people enjoy what I call the basics of life. And thank you too for responding fastly. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much.